You're eating organic kale, grass-fed beef, and drinking filtered water, but you're cooking it all on a chemical surface that was never meant to enter the human body. Most people don't realize that the second a standard nonstick pan gets a single scratch or passes 500 degrees, it begins off-gassing toxic fumes and leaching forever chemicals directly into your meal. We call it the convenience trap. Today at NuHealth HQ, we are looking at the nonstick scandal in your kitchen and why your current cookware might be the hidden source of your hormone disruption and metabolic fatigue. If you value your long-term biology, you need to know what's really happening inside your skillet. For decades, the industry standard has been PTFE, more commonly known as Teflon. While it makes cleaning up easy, the cost is staggering. When these pans overheat, which can happen in as little as 2 minutes on a high BTU burner, they release PFAS and PFOS. These are known as forever chemicals because they don't break down in the environment, and more importantly, they don't break down in your blood. Peer-reviewed studies have linked these coatings to thyroid disruption, high cholesterol, and a weakened immune response. You aren't just cooking eggs, you're seasoning them with industrial chemicals. Now, you might have seen ceramic pans at the grocery store for $20 and thought you were safe. But here is the new health truth. Not all ceramic is created equal. Many budget-friendly green pans use a thin, low-quality ceramic spray that wears off in weeks, exposing the reactive aluminum underneath. Worse, some brands still use lead and cadmium in their colorful glazes to save on manufacturing costs. If your healthy pan was cheap, it's likely because the safety testing was non-existent. Because I don't want you spending your Saturday scrubbing heavy, high-maintenance cast iron, our team at NuHealth HQ spent hours auditing the material safety sheets and third-party laboratory results of the top-rated brands on Amazon. We looked for 3 non-negotiable standards. First, a complete absence of PTFE and PFOA. Second, a mineral-based coating that can withstand high heat without off-gassing. And third, a high thermal density base that ensures even cooking so you don't burn your food and its nutrients to a crisp. After auditing the data, 2 brands met the NuHealth Gold Standard. First, for the professional-grade kitchen, we recommend the Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Set. It is entirely mineral-based, releases 0 toxic fumes, and features a heavy-gauge aluminum core for perfect heat distribution. It's an investment piece that replaces a dozen toxic pans. Second, for those who want a professional-grade upgrade that is built to last, we recommend the Green Pan Valencia Pro series. While Green Pan pioneered the toxin-free ceramic movement, the Valencia range is their gold standard for durability. It features their Thermalon magneto induction base for incredible heat efficiency and is finished with a diamond-infused ceramic coating that is actually metal utensil safe. It's the rare, non-toxic pan that can handle the rigors of a high-performance kitchen, all while remaining 100% free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Your health is a result of your environment, and your kitchen is the heart of that environment. If your current pans are scratched, stained, or peeling, do not wait. Throw them away today. I've placed the direct Amazon links to the Caraway and Green Pan sets in the description below. Invest in your kitchen, protect your hormones, and take back your biology. I'll see you in the next one.